Привет, hello, and bonjour, and welcome back to my channel. I feel like I am literally the last person each month to get their Glossybox because it's September 17th and I just got it. So, you know, the frustration be real, but at least we had Birchbox on the first of the month, so let us just dive in. So of course, we're going over Glossybox for the month of September. We're in September. Oh my god. And as usual, there's about 5 products in here. There should be some nice, lovely, full-size ones. Now, I do definitely get the sneaky peeks from Instagram. So I know that the theme of this box is spa. It is. Spa time. So usually between the UK and France, they have pretty much the same theme. I live in France, this is technically the French version. And yeah, we got a little booklet with all the items inside. I'm not gonna look too much because I want to be somewhat surprised. Yeah, we usually get this lovely little bow and paper that I've already ruined. And let us see what we have this month. Okay, so this is stay. Want you to stay. This is what we have this month. So already seeing some pretty large size items. So hopefully that means they're good too, because you know, quality is the most important thing. So I'll take this bright pink item in the middle. So this is the Brushworks facial cleansing pads. Okay. Oh. Okay. We get 2 of these little thingies, and they have the little squish things that, you know, well, it almost stuck to my hand. What am I trying to do? There. See? It sticks. It sticks. So that's cute because you can then plop it onto your mirror and they can dry it nicely and hygienically. But these are the little micro, it's not microfiber, the little gel rubber. Little scrubby pads for your face, so that's pretty cool. If you do a little face wash, these are actually super handy because it really helps buff it out and bubble up your cleanser, because sometimes it doesn't really do that on its own. But you get 2 in the box. Yeah, that's cool, that's handy. I'll definitely use those. And then you have a little bit more of a rough pad. If I'm gonna be honest, I'm probably gonna use one of them to wash my eyeshadow brushes, just because I usually do it on my hand with soap or whatnot, and it gets quite irritating to my hand. So this is the perfect kind of little space to do it. So that could be handy. And I mean, I do have 2. I don't really need 2 for my face. Or do I? And these bad boys, it is a full-size product, will set you back €7.59. Yeah, okay, that's a decent price, I suppose, for 2, but yeah. All right. Decent start. I'm literally gonna just be sticking them to all the random places now. I don't know why I thought it would stick to my nose. Moving on. Okay, I see a lovely little, why am I rubbing it like that? Little green box from Melusine, Paris. I'm gonna assume it's something to do with Jade rollers. I was correct. We get a mini green Jade roller. I don't know, this is nice. It's heavy. It seems like good quality. Nothing's really written on the box. Full-size product, €18. Ooh, yikes. Listen, this is a nice one. I'm not gonna lie. Hang on a second. I already have one, and a bigger one, and a double-sided one at that. They're about the same size. I feel like these were so popular in the last year or so that literally everybody already has one. To get another one, I'm a little bit like I don't need 2, you know? I don't, and I technically have 2. Double-sided. I love this one because it's small, so you can do the under eye. So as nice as that is, I would have rather gotten something else. But you know what? These are wonderful gifts, so I definitely will keep that to the side and gift it to someone else. I don't know if I already mentioned it, but this one, yeah, full size is €18. Very nice, but I really think everybody already has these. Sorry. Number 3. I'll take the thing that was in every single sneak peek I saw, and this is the coffee scrub, exfoliating coffee scrub by MineTan. Exfoliating scrub for buttery smooth soft skin. So cool. Definitely interested by this product. Oh, it's an Australian brand. Circular Motion Entire Body. Okay, so it's nice. So it's a full body scrub. So definitely, I mean, it's by a tanning brand. So of course, if you're tanning, you want to scrub off your tan or prep your skin for a tan, this is great. Yeah, no, that's nice. How much does it cost? This is the full size, and it costs €13 for one sachet? Can my voice go any higher? What? €13 for this? That's ridiculous. I'm sorry, this better be one hell of a scrub. I'm gonna have to try this soon. Then at the same time, because it's so expensive, I'm afraid to use it all up. 13 for one scrub? I don't think that's normal. Is that a normal price? That seems ridiculous to me. I mean, this better be one good scrub. I'm gonna do a year-end review of Glossybox and Birchbox, and hopefully I have some pretty gosh darn good things to say about this, because that's ridiculous to me. That's like a lunch. All right, well, all right. I don't know why that bothers me so much. That seems insane. Moving on to item number 4. So I've seen this brand. I've heard a lot about it. I've never tried it. And if I'm not mistaken, it's super freaking expensive. And this is Avant, or in French, Avant. This is the hyaluronic vitamin C lecithin Marie Aqua Jojoba Oil. Gosh, they write all the lettering really strange on this. So I know this is an expensive brand. Yeah, Supreme Hyaluronic Acid Antioxidizing Duo Moisturizer. Now, let's see. This is a full-size product. Is this a typo? This is €115? What is with this box? For 50 mils? €115? Have I lost my mind? This can't be right. I have to look this up. Oh my god, it's true. What? Can I have the €100 instead, please? Oh my god. This better be some freaking magical cream. I'm just trying to see some of the reviews quickly. This product absolutely justifies the price. I'm almost done my current skincare routine, which is a much more affordable brand. Elf. Once those day and night creams are done, I'm gonna give this an honest try, and hopefully I feel like the price is justified, but oh man, that's shocking. That's more than €2 for 1 ml. That is shocking to me. Great for the value of the box. It jumped up like threefold, but wowza, 115 for 50 mils. That's insane. That's insane. There's €1. Oh, I'm only doing a tiny drop. So it comes out a little bit bluish. It just smells clean spa smell type of thing. It smells really lovely, very light, nothing excessive. There's definitely a scent. Yowza. The number 1 ingredient is water. All right, well, wow, okay. That was product number 4, the most expensive product that has ever been in a Glossybox for me. I'm just a little bit stunned still. Whoa. And last, but hopefully not least, but by the looks of it, it might be. We got what looks to be a sheet mask. This is the SOS Save Our Skin. It's a Korean brand. That's cute. I love Koreans are good at skincare and sheet mask. This is the skin toning peacock print sheet mask. Oh, that's cute. It has a little peacock print on your face so you can scare your significant other or family member when they walk in with witch hazel. That's cool. Yeah, the usual locks in moisture, suitable for daily use. 10 to 20 minutes. This is a really cute brand. I've seen a few of them, and I think sub-brand of OK, but O like oh, and then K. Yeah, oh, like it literally says it here. I don't know why I'm trying to explain that. That's cool. What is the full price of this? €4. Okay, still a bit... It's hard for me. I know they cost this much usually in a shop, but also you can get really good deals. What is it? Not the Body Shop, the Face Shop. They usually have a deal of like 20 masks for the cost of 10, but you do have to buy in bulk. So yeah, I don't, again, as I mentioned, I'm not really one to buy face or sheet masks on their own when you know, they're not in a bundle or affordable. But this is cool, and I like the cute ones with the little patterns. It's a little bit fun for your little spa time moment. But yeah, that's nice, and that completes our box. What do I think about this month's box? I'm gonna be honest, I think this has probably been my least favorite one to date. It's still a great box. I can't complain. They definitely were within the theme, but for one, yeah, I already have a Jade roll. I mean, it's bound to happen. I think Bleh. When you get makeup and you get, you know, multiple lipsticks throughout boxes, usually at least they're a different color, right? Something new to your collection. It's rare that you'd really regularly get an item that you already have. But when it's a tool and a very specific tool like the Jade roller, I'm very happy with mine. Of course they don't know I have one, but it just seems like a thing that everybody has already, and because the sales of it are kind of going down, they're like, okay, we gotta get rid of these. And they gave it to people, so a little bit bummed there. I also saw a lot of ads, both for the UK and the French box, of a Wishful Skin scrub, the Huda Beauty one, and I've been wanting to try it for so long and actually didn't buy it because I thought it would be in this box, so that was a big bummer for me as well, but you know, boxes vary. The cleansing pads, I mean, yeah, I don't have them. I'll use them definitely, but like, I wouldn't have noticed if I didn't get them, you know what I mean? It's not something that's missing in my life. Excuse me while I just roll my face. Coffee scrub, like, absolutely not. €13 for that, that's ridiculous. I'm glad I get to try it for, we'll call it free, but I wouldn't, like, unless I have baby soft skin for like a month after, I don't think I'm gonna be buying that scrub again. That seems ridiculous. Avant, shocking price, but I'll give it an honest good go, and this is probably the good part of the box because the average person will not fork out over 100 of any currency to get a small day cream. I know skincare is an investment, but ouch. So this is nice because I get to try a luxury item, again, for free, and see if it's life-changing, because a lot of people don't have the opportunity to do that, right? And maybe it is indeed worth the investment. We'll discuss this later in the year, but wow. Oh, it hurts my soul. So that's cool. The sheet mask is nice. I like getting sheet masks in box. I think it's a nice, like, one of the 5 items. But, I mean, I'm a little underwhelmed. So it's still definitely a great box, but just, it didn't happen to be one that's up my alley. Can't all be winners. Still really nice, and hopefully the next one's better. I mean, I've said it before, Glossybox is my favorite. I think they're absolutely excellent, and at the end of the day, you do get your money's worth. So the total value of this box, if you add everything together, is €157.59, which is only so high up because of the advanced skincare. So if you were to take that away, it would be about, what, €40? Still more than what you paid for it, but I don't know. As always, I'll put all the currencies here for you to see. Yeah, what do you think? Did you guys get the September box? I'm just frustrated a little bit with it. I know that sounds silly. I think because they've all been so good for me and I've loved them all so much. This one's a little bit. I also didn't review the August box because I was on vacation. I was able, thankfully, to go within Europe, and that box was great. And of course, it came the day after I left. That one was really strong, so it's okay that this one's maybe not ideal, but I am super excited for October. Hopefully it is a little bit spooky themed. I know in France Halloween isn't really a thing, but I'm still hoping that the box will be a bit more thematic. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully you liked it and it was fun or funny. I do still recommend Glossybox, I'm not gonna lie. They'd have to do a lot of bad boxes in a row for me to really be like, the same for me anymore. So I definitely recommend the advent calendar. I think the UK one is out this week and the France one is out next week, so I'm definitely gonna be getting that one and doing that unboxing, and I'm really excited, and I hope I get one because they sell out pretty fast. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts below. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? It's right there, the button. Just click it, please. Thank you guys. Have a great day, week, month, end of 2020, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.